Hi, thanks for checking out my video. It's been over 5 years since I made my last one. That's a long time. 5 years. And what I've been doing in that time is probably the topic for another video. But in this one, I want to talk about a project that was almost entirely made out of fence boards. And it's a project that was actually built by my mom. So be nice in the comments. So this fence board project actually serves a couple purposes. One is to have a place to put the barbecue and your barbecue utensils and a place to set the meat that you're cooking, etc. The other is to separate and hide all that pool equipment from the play area. This dresses it up a little bit, and as you can see from the footage, it's not very pretty behind that wall. The pool equipment's just not something you generally want to look at when you're playing on the swings with the kids. So this project is actually made entirely out of cedar. There were 4 8-foot 4x4s, 6 8-foot 2x6s, 6 8-foot 2x4s, 45 72-inch by 5 1/4-inch fence boards with the dog ears cut off, 4 bags of concrete for the posts, and 3 bags of concrete for the pad that the barbecue actually sits on. So this project was actually knocked out in a 3-day weekend using only a compound miter saw, a nail gun, and a cordless drill. My mom decided to go with nails for 2 reasons. One is it's faster than using screws, and 2, she's into that rustic, kind of aged, not perfect look. So you can see some of the corners are starting to lift and bend, and she actually likes that. That's what she likes, that old farmhouse look. If you like more clean, straight lines, you're going to want to use screws. You could easily screw from the back, just make sure that your screws are not long enough to actually poke through. If you like the look of the accessories that my mom decorated this project with, I will put some affiliate links in the description and you can check those out. They're not the exact items, but they're kind of similar. They have that look. I hope this project inspired you to do something of your own. If you have built something out of fence boards or done a similar type project that you'd like to share, please talk about it in the comments. And if you're into home improvement, off-roading, old muscle cars, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.